Remember the Elgar Parishad case, or called the Bhima Koregaon case? The NIA has now submitted 70 draft charges against the accused under various sections of the very stringent Unlawful Activities Act, the UAPA, and the IPC before a special court in Mumbai. The charges are against 15 accused. This includes deceased Father Stan Swami and 5 others who are absconding. The changes were submitted before the special NIA court earlier in August 2021. But let's break down for you what exactly is the Elgar Parishad case. Let's take you back a bit in time. On January 1st, 2018, you had lakhs of Dalits gathering near Pune to commemorate the 200th anniversary of the Battle of Bhima Koregaon. Inflammatory speeches were allegedly made, and that triggered violence near the Koregaon Bhima War Memorial the very next day. According to the Pune police, this meeting was organized by banned Naxalite groups. The NIA now, which has been investigating this case, has said that the main objective behind the terror activity by all of these people was to establish a Janata Sarkar, a people's government, through revolution, and also an armed struggle to seize power from the state. So what are the charges really in the draft? The accused attempted to wage war against the government of India and Maharashtra. Another charge, the accused had intent to strike terror in the people, any section of the people in India and in the state of Maharashtra, by using explosive substances. These substances were logistics, wires, nails, nitrate powder, and possessing as well as transporting sophisticated weapons like Chinese QLZ-87 automatic grenade launchers and Russian GM-94 grenade launcher and M4 with 4 lakh rounds. Another charge is to go ahead and achieve this target, that the accused conspired to demand and organize 8 crore rupees for the annual supply of an M4, which is essentially a sophisticated weapon with 4 lakh rounds, as I mentioned earlier, as well as other arms and ammunition from Nepal as well as from Manipur. Now, the accused, according to the NIA, had been playing provocative songs, enacting short plays, dancing in Pune and distributing Naxalite literature. The criminal negligence was in fact with the intention of bringing about a part of the territory of India to be taken away. It incited individuals to bring about such a secession and disrupted the territorial integrity of India.